Welcome to our farm. We're committed to the highest standards here. Ensuring our pigs are happy and healthy is all about care, from the feed to the...
Yes, that's right, too. The caring of newly born piglets, and it's all about the 3-3-3 rule. What if I told you pig farmers around the world use one simple rule that can predict births, improve planning, save money, and make farming easier? It's called the 3-3-3 rule. 3 months, 3 weeks, 3 days. That's it. Sounds too simple, right? But this genius formula has helped pig farmers for generations know exactly when piglets are coming in if you raise pigs. Missing this date can cost you big. Today, I'll explain what the 3-3-3 rule is, why it matters, how farmers use it, and why this tiny formula can make a huge difference on the farm. Stay until the end, because I'll also show you how this rule can help beginners avoid one of the most expensive mistakes in pig farming. As an introduction, let's put this into perspective. Pig farming may look simple from the outside. Feed the pigs, clean the pen, wait for piglets. But real pig farming is all about timing. If you know when a sow is due, you can. Prepare the farrowing pen, increase piglet survival, be ready to assist difficult births, adjust feeding schedules, plan vaccinations, organize labor, avoid losses. And this is where the 3-3-3 rule becomes priceless. It's one of the easiest and smartest memory tricks in livestock farming. Even farmers with no calendar apps, no spreadsheets, and no technology have used it successfully for decades. In this section, let us address the question, what is the 3-3-3 rule? The 3-3-3 rule refers to the average gestation period of a pig. A sow is pregnant for 3 months, 3 weeks, 3 days. That equals about 114 days. So once a sow is bred, farmers count forward 114 days to estimate when she will give birth. Simple. For example, if your pig sow was bred on January 1st, add 3 months equals April 1st. Add 3 weeks equals April 22nd. Add 3 days equals April 25th. That means the piglets should arrive around April 25th. This simple rule turns guessing into planning. And on a farm, planning means profit. So why do farmers call this genius? Because pig farming is not just about raising animals. It's about managing time, money, and risk. Let's break it down. 1. It prevents surprise births. If a sow gives birth unexpectedly, piglets can die from cold, crushing, or neglect. But if you know the date, you're ready. 2. It saves labor. Farmers don't need to monitor every sow every day for months. They focus attention when it matters most. 3. It improves piglet survival. The first hours after birth are critical. Being present can save weak piglets. 4. It helps scheduling. You can prepare pens, feed, medicine, and staff in advance. 5. It reduces stress. No guessing, no panic, no chaos. Now that's genius. Here's how a practical pig farmer uses the 3-3-3 rule. Step 1. Record breeding date. The day the sow is mated or artificially inseminated is written down. Without records, the rule is useless. Step 2. Count forward. Add 114 days. Many farmers use wall charts, notebooks, or apps. Step 3. Prepare farrowing pen. About 1 week before the due date, clean and disinfect the pen. Add bedding if needed. Check water supply, prepare heat lamps. Make sure fencing is secure. Step 4. Watch for signs. Close to the date, the sow may show signs like nesting behavior, restlessness, swollen udder, milk production, reduced appetite. Step 5. Be ready. Once labor begins, someone should monitor the pig sow if possible. This is how professionals do it. Many beginners usually make one expensive mistake. They don't write down breeding dates. Then weeks later they ask, when will she farrow? No one knows. Now they waste time checking daily, miss the birth, or lose piglets. Imagine finding piglets dead because the sow gave birth in a dirty pen or on a cold night. That loss could have been avoided with one note in a notebook. The 3-3-3 rule only works if you track dates. So if you're new to pig farming, no records equals no control. Even large commercial farms depend heavily on records. The best farmers aren't always the strongest or richest. They're often the most organized. Now let's be honest, does it always work exactly? Not every sow gives birth exactly on day 114. Some may farrow on day 111, others on day 116. That's normal. Why? Because gestation length can vary due to breed, litter size, genetics, nutrition, environment, health, and stress levels. So think of the 333 rule as an estimated target date, not an exact alarm clock. Smart farmers start watching a few days early and stay alert a few days after. That flexibility is important. Let's talk money and how this affects profits. Why does timing matter financially? Because every piglet matters. If one sow produces 10 piglets and you lose 3 due to poor planning, that's income gone. Multiply that across multiple sows per year and losses grow fast. Why does timing matter financially? Good timing helps farmers save more piglets, reduce medication costs, improve growth rates, use labor efficiently, plan sales better, keep production consistent. Consistency is where profit lives. Successful farms don't rely on luck, they rely on systems, and the 333 rule is a simple but powerful system. Let's talk about old school wisdom versus modern tech. Today, farms may use software, apps, sensors, and digital records, but guess what? The old 333 rule still survives. Why? Because it works. Sometimes the best farming wisdom is simple enough to remember without electricity. Even if your phone dies, you still know. 3 months, 3 weeks, 3 days. That's practical intelligence. Modern technology is helpful, but timeless knowledge is powerful. The smartest farmers often combine both. Simple knowledge still wins. You don't need a giant commercial farm to use this rule. If you have 1 sow or 2 pigs in your backyard setup, this rule can still help you. Write down breeding date, expected farrowing date, number of piglets born, number weaned, and health notes. Over time, you'll learn which pig sow performs best, which season works well, and how to improve. And you will have transformed yourself from 1 pig to hundreds in no time. That's how small farmers grow into serious farmers, one smart habit at a time. All right then, so why do pig farmers follow the 333 rule? Because it transforms pig farming from guessing into planning. It helps farmers prepare, protect piglets, save time, and make more profit. 3 months, 3 weeks, 3 days. Because it's simple enough to remember and it's powerful enough to build a farm around. Nothing comes close to watching these piglets trot towards you with a promise of prosperity. Now that's priceless. If you found this useful, comment below. Did you already know the 333 rule, or did this surprise you? Like the video, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next farming lesson.